Now, Griffin administered his medicine on a piece of cotton. The cotton got vanished, invisible. Now he thinks cotton is an inanimate thing. So I should administer this on living object. So what happened? One day he caught a cat and he administered the medicine on cat. When the cat was almost invisible, just then his landlord came and he accused him. What are you doing? Don't you know that vivisection is prohibited by the law of London? In 1871, a law passed in London that vivisection is totally prohibited. What is vivisection? That is use of animals in laboratory for scientific research. And so Griffin had to leave the cat. But the cat was almost invisible. Only his eyes and nails were visible. And Griffin did not pay the rent properly. So the landlord wanted to throw him out. He didn't like him at all. Now, after around 1 month, Griffin somehow caught that cat. It was a very problematic matter because it was almost invisible. And he again administered the medicine and it got totally vanished. Now Griffin thought that I am successful. So I must administer this on my body. So thinking this, one day he closed his door and he administered the medicine on his body. He injected it and he was becoming invisible. When he was around 80% invisible, his mind became very much jovial because he was going to be the first man in the world to become invisible. And he could do many things after becoming invisible, he thought. Just then the bailiff, the landlord, came and he was knocking his door. Griffin! Griffin! Griffin was not giving any response. It was the day when he was supposed to pay the rent. So landlord, he was an aged man, he became very much annoyed. He called his nephew. Both of them was knocking the door. By this time, Griffin was almost 90% invisible. And they was calling his name and thrashing the door. Griffin thought that the door anytime might be broken. So he must become invisible. So what he did, he took a bench and chair and closed the door from inside, apart from the lock. They were thrashing the door vehemently. And at last they broke into the room. Griffin was very much angry because his research became undone. He would be caught. But to his utter surprise, he found that the bailiff and the nephew was talking among themselves. Hey, where is Griffin? The door is closed from inside. Griffin understood that he became invisible. He left the place. Before this, he sent his 3 diaries where he coded all this formula, sent to another address by post. And Griffin was very much angry with these people. So after 2 days he came and he set the house on fire. In this way his invisibility started.